alaikum dear students. I do hope that definitely you will find with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to see a new word, a new sound, that is a sound. This sound is almost a little bit longer, so that is why we say that this is a long sound, right? And what is the position while when we speak this sound, a sound, like for example, mart, cart, chart, etc. So we pronounce it some a little bit longer. Okay, that is what the basic difference between among the other a sound or different sounds that belongs to a letter. Okay, so today we will make a study that how this sound does produce, and obviously how we have to learn that whenever we come to know about the long words, the such words that produces long sound, how we will have to pronounce them in a very proper way. First of all, you will have to know about that what is the basic difference and what is the basic definition of this sound. So as you try to pronounce this sound by practicing by yourself, so what kind of a mouth position occurs as you feel that? First of all, the tongue is set at the back and a low position. Jaw is lowered more than the rest of the back vowels. One more thing is that when we talk about the English language, we divide into two major elements or two major branches. The one is vowel sounds and the second one is the consonant sound. In general, in normal routine, without the true pronunciation, we call them vowel. A vowel is not a correct word. That is vowel sound. Vowel, vowel. Okay. So here again, we produce a long sound, sound, and here in this lecture, I will tell you that how we pronounce this long sound that is called sound. Okay. First of all, listen very carefully. And along with this is a position.
Calf,
Calf, calf.
calf, calf,
And while speaking or pronouncing this sound, the position of our lips obviously changes. Like that, lips are unrounded and wide open. The vocal folds separate and vibrate. The medium is raised, blocking off the nasal cavity. Okay, so let's come and see that how we pronounce. We try to pronounce, or we learn that this sound is being spoken with the help of different letters. Okay, first of all, here we see that actually the clear picture of the mouth position. While pronouncing this sound, we see that how we pronounce this sound.
ah,
Ah, ah,
ah,
ah.
ah,
Drought, drought, drought.
draft, draft, draft,
See that how we speak this. This sound a little bit resembles with a sound below the given the symbol. Let's come and see that with which letters we pronounce this long or a sound. First of all, the letters that are based on a, and r. Okay, and one more thing that is very important to understand. There is a basic difference between the Britain language and as well as the American language. In American dialect, we speak every single letter. For example, dark,
carpet,
dark. But when we speak from the British pronunciation's point of view, there are some consonants that sometimes become silent, like that. Dark, dark. Listen carefully.
dark, dark,
Again,
dark,
then large, large,
large, large, large,
again, garden, garden,
garden, garden, garden, garden,
next one is artist, artist, sometime artist,
artist, artist, artist, artist,
this practice is very much important. Until you will not make a practice or try to pronounce these words by yourself, you will not be capable to understand the true sound of the each letter. Why? Because nowadays we are making practice about the A letter, so comparatively as compared to the other letters as well, we see that the only A letter obviously produces different sounds, sometimes short sound, sometimes long sound, right? So you will have to make a full concentration about to see that how this sound is produced with the letter of A. Right, Nick, the next one is carpet, carpet,
carpet, carpet, carpet,
right? So here there is a list given below like this from the very below of the carpet. We have different kind of words like start, hard, carp, smart, bar, car, start, chart, carve, far, park, part, card, farm, Mars, army, march, etc. So try to make the pronunciation of these words by repeating at least twice or thrice. Obviously, you will come to know that how this sound is being produced and how we learn to pronounce this long sound that is called a sound. I do hope that you must have understood this lecture very clearly, very carefully, and as I must say that try to make practice by yourself, while because practice makes a man perfect. Until you will not make a practice by yourself, so you will not be able to learn these sounds according to obviously your desire. So we mostly spend huge fees in different institutions. So here you have a very good opportunity to learn the sounds by yourself entirely free of cost. If you want to obviously get more and more videos, so do subscribe my channel Zubair's Academy, and don't forget to subscribe it as well. Like the video, share, don't forget to share this to your friends, to your colleagues, and to your other acquaintance persons, so that they may also come to know that how they can learn English language as well. Till then, Allah Hafiz.